Hello everyone, we arrived safely at Goudini. This is where I'm gonna lay.
Hello.
This is my area. I've booked my space, everything, and there is the kitchen. This is how we're gonna do a fruit platter and a cheese board. And as you can see, the food here, wait, let me rather turn this around. This is my spot, lekker in the corner. Then there's this extra sleeper couch. And this is all the goodies, luxury goodies. There's biscuits and there's like mangoes and marshmallows. Then we've got our fruit. We're going to do a fruit platter and a cheese board. And this is all the other stuff, as you can see. Then on top we have like our rye bread, our rolls, our garlic bread, our croissants. These the snack time, some cool drinks, some plasters, some fruit, some fomos, paper plates. This is all the meat for the braai. This is for tonight's sausage rolls we're making. It's going to be sausage on a roll with a tiny bit of butter. Then we're going to mix some honey with Tabasco sauce, and we're going to fry some onions, caramelize it, and that's going to go on top of the sausage roll. And that is our supper for tonight, with a fruit platter and the cheese board. Okay, I brought my Fasi Tixel, my AMC frying pan with me. Wait, hang on guys. Yes, made there, brought it. We're going to make the food in there. So we've got juices and salads, and vegetables, lots of vegetables, salad dressing, some smoothies. We brought lots of trout for the bagels and lots of this for breakfast with maple syrup. And in the freezer, we've got waters and our prawns for the one lunch supper. And there's my second elder sister Hata, and this is Zaida, our cousin. She's with us as well. There's Kulsu, my baby sister. We have the birthday boy. Everyone wish Robin a happy birthday. We're celebrating his birthday here by Goudini. How old are you, Robert?
32.
He's lying through his beautiful teeth.
32. I'm 32.
What year were you born?
1987. 1987.
This is my niece Sarah trying to crawl by. This is my nephew Keeny. Keeny, what you doing? You playing? Are you enjoying yourself?
No.
You're not?
No.
No, what's wrong? What do you need?
The plants are hurting me.
The plants? Then don't play by the plants, baby.
Why is the grass?
The grass. This is my other niece, Wasila. Stand there so I can see you. Ayo. Okay. This is the other house we're in. We got two houses. I almost went into the wrong house. Okay. This is my elder sister Nadia.
Salam.
And this is my niece and a daughter Aya. We're gonna have a wonderful time. Looky.
Banana go next door one is here. Off of this go.
Okay, and there's we're gonna have eggs now for one morning breakfast. And here's the Tabasco sauce. This is the oil we're using. Tannepies. Everyone's still unpacking, as you can see. Just see bags. Okay, on this side we've got the hot dog rolls, we've got the bagels, our whole wheat breads, and then what's in here? Some juice, roti, mince, water, potatoes. Okay, so we've got peppers, jalapenos, green chilies, garlic, ginger, the usual, onions, potatoes, grapes, that is that juices, yogurts, more cheeses, more fruit, more cheeses, more salads. I'm gonna take a walkie now.
Dear Marty,
What is it, my boy? Wow.
the animal stick.
Hiyo, man. Aww.
And that's big dinosaur one.
Aww.
Mommy,
Yes.
the big dinosaur like to eat yours.
Okay, man.
The big dinosaur like to eat grass. They say the pool. Where's the pool? Is it far? I can't walk far. I'm gonna wait. Look at that. I'm gonna show you guys more now. I'm gonna do a part 1 and a part 2 of this holiday vlog. And my niece is gonna help me because I can't walk so lekker.
Please. Nie goed, ek dink was as user as wat ek is. Much better. Jy was hulle jy's useless. Ja. Bly die Sarah steek.
Can we leave space in between?
No, we can put it
Together? Okay. Oh yeah.
There's one big table. You can eat.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
What can I give you, eh?
You can leave that for the salads. No? We're gonna make pomegranate and green salad with blue cheese dressing. Okay, so there we go.
Is there a plug upstairs? Yes.
You want to use mine, my baby?
Juices you must put on. And the glasses are must also on there.
There, I must go. Are you having a good time?
Very good time. Phantom juice?
No, shukran.
No, what can you eat?
I'm good.
Precies, dus je moet hebben zo'n pussycat pellets with it. Very, they have no taste. Oh.
Die mensen wil jongens zot zien. We gaan mee, joh.
Is that the Fatima live?
No, it's the YouTube.
Oh, okay. No, actually, I'm like, okay.
That's Tasneem. And Amir. Are you enjoying yourself?
I love it. I'm loving it.
You enjoying yourself, Zohair? And this is my twin sister. She's also here. Can you believe it? Guys, that's part 1 of our holiday. I'm going to say bye. Love you. And I'll post another video soon. Bye, everyone.